Hello, this video is all about Fujicolor C200 film. Let's jump straight in and check out some photos.
Definitely my favorite shot of this Fujicolor C200 roll. Just love how that curve over on the left frames the shot. Next up, it's a portrait Fujicolor C200 double whammy with these two iconic buildings in Madrid that really give you the flavor of what this film roll is about. Now, before I forget, I should mention that I believe at least half of this roll was shot with exposure compensation at +2. The Ricoh TF-900 does have this +2 exposure mode or button. So I think, for example, this shot, if you see like the highlights that are, really being pushed, I think that's why. One thing that I really like about Fujicolor C200 is how it renders stonework. I think here you have a couple of good examples.
So sometimes Fujicolor C200 gets a little bit of a bad rap because it's a consumer grade film. And all these shots were taken with this cool Ricoh TF-900 point and shoot camera. But I think, as you're seeing, they do have a very nice look to them.
There's something about how film renders skies, and these cityscapes definitely show that off. The green in these trees is definitely very Fuji-like in my eyes. I'm pretty sure that with this shot, I also pushed the exposure up to, and I don't regret it at all. Whether it's a cathedral or some street art, Fujicolor C200 definitely pulls its weight. And this next set of shots is a little bit of a shootout between Fujicolor C200 and modern Fujifilm film simulations from my Fujifilm X-T4.
Okay, and that'll do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll catch you next time.